All right. Hello, everybody. I wanted to do a quick thinkorswim lesson on trading options. We are setting out trades just about every week, and last week was exceptionally successful. So I'm going to do two things today in thinkorswim. I'm going to show you how to set up an option trade. I'm going to show you how to use the on-demand feature if you ever want to sim trade. My goal is really just to simulate the trade we sent out. And we sent it out when it was plenty of time to respond. Mitch gave you all the directions. I send the actual directions, but these are the chart that goes into Slack. And here's what the before picture. You'll see. And then there's the, I gotta add more data. Hold on a second. Oh, regardless, trust me, guys. It basically touched that front line, and you guys see this rocket ship, right? So let's go back, and I'll show you where you could set this up and how to do it in thinkorswim. So I'm just going to use on demand. We want to go back to turn this down. February 1st. Okay, now that's going to load February 1st data. So let's go in here. Should do it for all of them. Let's just make sure so I don't have to do anything. Yeah, okay, perfect. Hang tight. All right, so there's the level. It's bigger for you. It looks a little cleaner on, what is this? Oh, it's a daily chart. Okay, so there's the level. You'll notice there, this is February 1st. It's sitting right above it, right? And you still have time to set this trade up. So let's go into the option chain and take a look at it, okay? So I don't want to hear any bullshit that any of you guys don't have time to set these trades up because it's just nonsense. All right. So, oh, no, that's not what I went to. So here's what you do first. Go over here to the top, right? Normally we use charts if you're a stock trader, but for setting up trades in an option trade, go to Analyze, Add Simulated Trades. I know it says Add Simulated Trades, and you're like, oh, what is that? Put in PM. That will get the chain up, right? And then Mitch puts all the directions right in here. You got to find this expiration is the after you put in the symbol, find this expiration date, June 18th, 2021. Okay, and let's go back. We're using the strike 77.50. To go over here. Oh, it's wide because the market's not open yet on here. It's fine. I think it was $5. All right. Once you click the buy, which it'll say buy right next to it, guys. Buy right there. Click. It'll load down here. Right. It's got a default of 10. So you want to just change it to 1 or 2, whatever you're buying. If you have, it's $500 per contract. You have $2,000, you can buy 2. If you have one, if you have $500, you can buy 1 or $550, whatever it's going to be. Right. So click away. Right, so that's loaded now. By the way, if you're completely brandy new to this, calls on this side, puts on this side, expiration, strike prices. So find the price as you find the expiration date, which is right there. Right there are all probably going to look like this after you put the symbol in. You find it like June 18th, 2021. There you go. Where's the price? 77.50. See, it says sell. This one says buy. Click buy. It'll load down here. It's also green when you're buying. It's usually green. And 77.50. You enter the price that you want to pay because we're giving you the predictive amount you can specify what you want to pay. You don't have to pay that, right? Because we're waiting for price to come down. So we have a good theory on what it's going to cost. And I put some directions in there. Something's going to be $5.50, something like that, right? One contract, $5.50. Permanent end. Let's give you all the detail there. And it is gone and ready to go. Now it'll wait. That option, this spread is wide and weird. It's because of it's simulated. Normally it's 50 cents, sometimes a nickel. But when it gets to $5, someone will take that. More specifically, when it touches this level, right? We can see what it looks like now when I turn off on demand, and it touches this area, right? Let's go look and see what happened. Let's turn off on demand. And if you want to just, that's the buy. If you want to cancel it, just do that. So let's go back to now. Now it's back to real-time data. Okay, take a look at this. Did you see that's the option we were going to buy? Okay, does everyone see this? And you see the spread's improved, right? Because it's some fucking real information. So it's only 40 cents there. So if you bought this at 5, let's just say you even bought it at 6, okay? Right now you're sitting at $330 of profit on a $600 investment. You guys hear that? Is that cool? It's cool. So once you do that, let's just go over this one more time, right? Go to add simulated trades, put in PM, right? Or put in the symbol, like there will be a new trade, not this one. This trade's dead. Don't take it. Oh, ORCL. That's when it's upcoming. I think it's still a ways away. Could be wrong. All right, this is pretty far away, but just for example purposes, the Sol one also worked out. So there we go. Okay, those lines gone. So we're waiting for price to come down here. It's pretty far away. 57.77. It's 60. It's not that far, but we need a major move in Oracle to get into this trade, right? So we'll probably have to wait on this. I wouldn't really set this one up just yet. I'm sure Mitch is loading some new stuff right now, but that's kind of your deal. Let me pause share screening for 1 second. Okay, you're just going to have to look at my face for a second because I got to get something off of my email. Okay, there's ORCL. Let me go back to this. All right, so here's ORCL, right? Buy call, $55 strike. There's the expiration date. All right, let's wait for the rest, right? So you put in ORCL from add simulated trades. Then you find the expiration date, right? April 16th, 2021. Just click that little arrow. Now you have to find the strike price. So I don't know what the strike price was. So, strike 55. Okay. So here are the prices. And we're doing calls. So calls on this side, puts on this side. So find the 55. You see it says 880. Notice that bid ask is pretty tight, 15 cents, but it's going to get even better. Right? I click that so it loads down here. Right? Because it says buy, sell. That's for a different option strategy. You want to do the buy. Right? You want to change that 10. My student David uses E-Trade, and we were setting some trades up with him, and his populates to 10 too. I don't really know why that is. 880. All right, and I think I have the projected price in here. Okay, projected premium paid $5. Almost the same trade, right? So right now it's trading for 880. So put in your buy order at $5. we can talk about, is it perfect and all that, because, it might be 525, might be 550. Then you're going to need to watch the trade, right? Because then you can just follow by the chart. If you don't want to just set it up ahead and you want to get like bottom dollar, what you should do is just wait for Oracle to get there, and you would pay. If you just wait till it gets down here, you'll get perfect. You'll get it at like 501, you have a chance of missing the trade doing this strategy, but I can't hold your hand all the time on this stuff. I'm doing the best I can. Your best bet is just to hit me up on Slack, and as a couple of my students will tell you, I'm pretty good at getting back to you guys. So load the 55, $5, right click, see what it says confirm and send, give you a chance to check everything off, click send, and you're good to go. But quick review. Add simulated to analyze, right there. Add simulated trades, symbol. Then you'll see the expiration dates like this. Find the one that we tell you in the email. Click there, right? Here's the strike price. For right now, these last two are calls. Someday it might be puts, but puts are on this side. For now, we're just setting up a call. Find the strike price, expiration. The one on the right here is the buy. Click it. It'll load down here. And needless to say, if you did click confirm and send and it said 10 and you have $1,000 in your account, you're going to get a reject order. So don't worry about it going through. All right, you have 50K in your account, worry, it's going to go through. But it's a good trade. Small risk. We lay that out here too. I'm not going to get into conditional orders on this video. Some people are like, how do I set up a stop loss, all that kind of stuff. Just get to this part, okay? The trade is not going to go against you so bad that you're going to lose the entire $500, okay? I don't think. So I think this helps. Take the information in the email. That trade was extra nice. It went far beyond on both AIG and what were we just looking at? PM, Philip Morris. Both made nice money on it. So pretty good. Look out for this ORCL. We'll have a new one for you later. And then after a couple of you, because this is really targeted to about 5 people, I want to get used to doing this, right? And once you go through it, then I will do another video and I'll show you how to set up conditional orders for stops and targets, okay? So have a good day, and I will talk to you guys soon.